Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Decor. I'm Luna, and today we're going to dive into some cozy and charming English country Easter decor ideas for your spring home. If you're dreaming of a warm, inviting, and effortlessly charming atmosphere for Easter, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what your favorite Easter decor idea is. Now, let's get inspired and transform your home into the perfect spring retreat. The heart of English country decor is all about embracing soft, pastel colors that reflect the beauty of spring. Think gentle shades of blush pink, lavender, mint green, and buttery yellow. These colors not only create a serene atmosphere, but they also tie in perfectly with the season of renewal. Start by incorporating pastel throw pillows and floral pattern tablecloths in your living and dining areas. These small touches will instantly bring that springtime charm into your home, giving your space a fresh, airy feel. Floral arrangements are a must-have in any English country home, especially around Easter. Fresh flowers like daffodils, tulips, and hyacinths are staples for Easter decor, and their vibrant colors capture the essence of spring. Place these flowers in vintage vases or mismatched teacups for an added rustic touch. You can even go a step further and create DIY floral wreaths to hang on your front door or above your fireplace. The more flowers, the merrier. Incorporating vintage-inspired Easter eggs is an easy and adorable way to bring in that English countryside vibe. Choose eggs that have soft, hand-painted designs or antique-style patterns, like florals, stripes, or even polka dots. Display these eggs in glass bowls, nest them in vintage baskets, or even hang them from branches for an added whimsical touch. This simple decoration makes an impactful statement while staying true to the traditional English country aesthetic. Wooden accents add a natural rustic charm to your Easter decor, which is a hallmark of English country style. Consider incorporating wooden bunnies, birdhouses, or even small crates as part of your display. You can easily paint these wooden pieces in soft pastel hues or leave them in their natural state for a more rustic look. Adding small touches like these will help create a laid-back, cozy atmosphere in your home. A beautiful, English-inspired Easter table setting is the perfect way to celebrate the season with family and friends. Start with a crisp white or light linen tablecloth and layer it with vintage-inspired china. Add small floral arrangements as centerpieces and set each place with mismatched teacups and plates. A few sprigs of rosemary or lavender tucked into napkins will elevate the charm, bringing a fresh, natural touch to the table. Nothing says Easter like a whimsical bunny. You can create a simple DIY Easter bunny banner with burlap or fabric and hang it across your mantle or along a staircase railing. This charming decoration can easily be personalized by adding pastel ribbons or even tiny flowers on each bunny for a little extra flair. It's a fun and festive way to welcome Easter into your home. An Easter egg hunt is a beloved tradition, so why not incorporate some mini hunts inside your home? Set up small corners with hidden, decorative eggs placed among greenery or inside tiny baskets. This idea works well for a fun Easter activity and doubles as a delightful decor element. You can even add vintage bird cages or woven baskets to complete the rustic Easter look. A spring wreath is an essential part of any cozy Easter decor, especially in an English country-style home. Create a wreath with a base of willow or grapevine and add flowers, ribbons, or even small wooden ornaments. You can choose florals like roses or daffodils, or even include tiny faux eggs and a bough to bring the Easter spirit front and center. Hang the wreath on your front door or inside your home for a warm and welcoming look. An English country Easter wouldn't be complete without a lovely tea party setup. Think of a quaint, rustic wooden table surrounded by vintage chairs with floral cushions. Fill your table with fine china, including teacups, saucers, and teapots. Add a floral table runner and freshly baked scones for a truly English experience. This will create the perfect cozy setting for an Easter afternoon tea. Easter baskets are a must for the holiday, but they don't have to be just for the kiddos. Create rustic basket displays throughout your home to add warmth and charm. You can fill them with faux eggs, dried flowers, or even small plush bunnies. Group them together for a curated display or scatter them around your home for a whimsical, laid-back vibe. For the ultimate cozy touch, incorporate linen or cotton textiles into your Easter decor. Think of linen throw blankets draped over your couch, as well as pastel-colored pillow covers for added comfort. You can also use these textiles to create a soft, relaxed ambience in your home. The natural, breezy feel of linen pairs wonderfully with the rustic and refined elements of an English country Easter. Candles are perfect for creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. To stay true to the English country aesthetic, opt for soft, pastel-colored candles in vintage holders or simple glass jars. Place them along your mantel, around your dining table, or in the corners of your home to bring a warm, peaceful glow. A candlelit setting is the ideal way to make your home feel especially cozy during Easter. I hope these charming English country Easter decor ideas have inspired you to create a cozy, inviting spring atmosphere in your home. Remember to subscribe to Decor for more seasonal decor inspiration, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see how you incorporate these ideas into your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I love hearing from all of you.